1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, time's up. So, may I go for the group one? What are their ideas about
Hindi ka ni Silvet.
the leader in ISA?
Sige ba ato bin mo?
Group one, you may proceed. Group one, or we will proceed to group two. Group two.
Yes po, group 2 po.
First, you can proceed with your ideas po with the question given on the task.
Okay, thank you po ma'am. So from the group 2, the question is how can collaboration tools help us get a proper education? So para sa amin po, to have proper education sa pamagitan ng collaboration tool is to improve their critical thinking and improve their to add new skill and to develop their learning skills. So narinig po ba ako?
Yes, clear po. You may continue.
Okay, sige po. Thank you po. So pamagitan po ng collaboration tool po ay nakakatulong po ito sa mga to have proper education po, lalo na po during pandemic po. Kung as you can observe or you can see, napakalaking tulong po ng collaboration tools para po sa teacher and student, hindi lang po para po ma-continue yung learning process ng bata, kundi po madagdagan din po yung skill nila kung paano ba gamitin si collaboration tools and mismos po sa isang classroom po, and of course po kung paano po sila gumawa ng mga activity between group po ng mga groupmate po. So yun lang po para sa akin po. So may additional po ba yung mga kagrupo ko po? Please po, proceed po.
Thank you with the wise answer, Sir Anton, and which your group makes. So let's proceed to group 3. Group 3 po, we see you later. Miss Jelly Montales po. Andyan po ba? Or the other group mates po? Hello po, naririnig po ba? Hello?
Po, ako din po.
So let's proceed to group 4. We will come back po for the group 3 and group 1. Manchester, nandiyan po ba? Or the other group mates po? Please cooperate with us po. This is your participation. And this is for your ano rin po, for your own goods po. And tumatakbo po yung oras. Thank you. So, wala po. Group 4. Group 3. How about po group 1?
Kasi po, wait lang. Group 3 po.
Okay. You may proceed po.
Wait lang po. So for group 3 po, to effectively use the relevance and appropriateness of technology in teaching and learning, one can follow these practices. So we prepared 10 items. So number 1, conduct a needs assessment. So to understand the specific needs and goals of the teaching and learning process. Second, choose technology wisely. Select tools and resources that are relevant and appropriate for the subject matter and learning objectives. Factors such as the age of students, availability of resources, and the learning environment. Third, emphasize learning outcome. Focus on how technology and improve learning outcomes. Align the use of technology with the curriculum and ensure that it enhances students' understanding and retention of knowledge. Fourth, provide training and support. So offer training session to or resources to educators to ensure they are comfortable and capable of effectively utilizing technology in their teaching practice. So 5, foster active learning. Encourage students to actively engage with technology through interactive learning platforms, educational apps, multimedia, or online discussion. So this can promote critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. So 6, personalized learning experiences. Leverage technology to cater to individual students' needs and learning styles. So adaptive learning platforms, personalized feedback systems, and gamified learning experiences can help students grasp concepts at their own pace and in their preferred format. So 7, promote collaboration and communication. To utilize technology to facilitate collaboration among students and enable effective communication between teachers and students. So online discussion boards, collaborative project management tools, and video conferencing platforms can enhance teamwork and feedback exchange. So 8, monitor progress and feedback. So it utilizes technology to track student progress, provide timely feedback, and adapt teaching strategies accordingly. Digital assessment tools, learning analytics, and data-driven insight can help identify areas of improvement and personalized intervention. So 9, address digital citizenship and online safety. Teach students about responsible and ethical use of technology, online privacy, digital security, reliable sourcing in information. So last one, 10, stay stay updated and adapt. So continuously explore new technologies and emerging trends in the field of education, willing to adapt instructional strategies based on feedback and evidence of the technology effectiveness. So thank you so much for that. So
Thank you so much. It's nice to admit your help with your group, and it is very well explanatory. So may we come back to the, or we will proceed to the discussion. Group 1, Group 4. How about John Paul, Gima Rose, Cyril, Camille, Renaline, Joanna. Ay, sino pala yun? Sorry. So, Christina, Denise, Cetro, Micaela, Mariel, EG, and Marjorie, and Francia. Wala po ba kayong any ideas about the question? How about Group 1? Renaisa, Junday, Christine, Peter, Geraldine, Samantha. Andyan po ba kayo? Okay, let's proceed to our discussion. So our discussion for today is all about collaboration tools and the relevance and appropriateness in the use of the technology in teaching and learning. So when we say collaboration tools are simple concept explained but tricky to characterize. They help teams and group work together toward a common goal. So in a simple definition class, two or more people are used in this conjunction with each other. So collaborative tools provide real-time interaction between workers or inside the classroom with the other learners and helping teams and groups work together toward to a common goal, which means isa lang yung goal ng natin. So what are the examples of collaboration tools? So we have the Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, and Google Trust. So these tools come in all manners of varieties and purpose, but ultimately foster interaction between people. So this is some example that included. So a chat app that lets multiple people brainstorm ideas. So can anyone give me an ideas about a chat app? Kung saan tayo nag-uusap tungkol sa specific any ideas na nag-brainstorm tayo. Anyone? So, I think the great example of chat app is Messenger, and this app means the Google Meet then po. So, we have a second example, project management, app that defines tasks across a group, a video conversing tools, and people talk face to face. So, and our last is a file sharing program that gives many people access to file. For example, this is the Google Drive. So next, may I call Professor Ernest to, yes, correct, Antonio Piper. So may I call Professor Ernest to explain the next
Thank
topic.
you, Mom Jasmine. So I'll be the one that will discuss about full team visibility and accountability. So good evening, everyone. So expecting people to collaborate without full visibility over what? So business changes rapidly, daily and sometimes even hourly. And collaboration tools help teams adapt quickly. They're working on together is a recipe. So we will continue. Expecting people to collaborate without full visibility over what they're working on together is a recipe for disaster. So for you class, why do you think it's a recipe for disaster or inconvenience? if people collaborate without full visibility. So anyone can give their ideas about it before we proceed. Simple explanation. No need to be complex. So anyone who wants to share their ideas. And the second question is, what are your ideas about it? So why do you think it's a recipe for disaster when people that collaborate doesn't have full visibility or hindi sila nakikita-kita? Hindi man lang nagsasama-sama sa isang place or even online, hindi sila nag-uusap. Why do you think is that? If none, let's proceed na po. So, when people in groups doesn't see each other, even online, the progress is not observable. So, it's not observable because they don't see each other. We don't know if they are truly working or helping. No collaboration is observable. Instead, it's seen as a recipe for failing. So, that's the explanation. Every member of the team needs to see the bigger picture and how or what they're doing fits into it. So collaborative tools makes it possible. So when groups that collaborate see what they're doing or they can observe changes in their work, things will be much easier to process or understand. Kasi may nakikitang may gumagalaw. So that people or those people from the groups will expect that those people are active. There are changes na nangyayari. So the reason is that they're seen by everyone. The team sees it. That's the main goal of or objective of collaboration or collaborative tools. So let's proceed na po. The easier is to collaborate, the easier it is to succeed. So with this visibility also comes an element of accountability. So yan. So when someone sees progress and active, especially in group works, they will move. May gagalaw kasi nakikita niya na all people in the group are willing to do something and cooperate. That those people are active. That's why makikipag-go with the flow na rin siya. So yun, collaboration tools leverage its individuals' responsibilities and talents into the team's greater success. So yan yung sa track progress in real life. No matter how carefully a project is planned. Am I right, Jasmine? Let's go from
Yes po, you're right, sir.
next slide po. Ay, hindi siya nakasabay. So, balik po tayo ulit. Nawala eh. So yun. Thank you po. So, modern collaboration tools help to create dynamic workflow and team agility. So, the ability to react as a teams can function without collaboration tools help teams respond to changes as quickly as they're expected to prevent setbacks and keep projects on track. So, everything that you planned might change. That's the simplest explanation about it. That's the part of everyday life. So not everything that you plan will be aligned with what you expect. That's true, especially in group projects. So yun. So we have to go back to the easier it is to collaborate, the easier it is to succeed. So just like I said earlier, collaboration or collaborative tools makes the group more engaged and active. So the reason that they know that all of them are cooperating in the sense that no one is being too reliant with others. So no one is acting like a dumbbell. So walang pabigat. Yan. To collaborate is to communicate and participate. So that's all. Let's proceed from the next slide. So we have here a simple question. So what are the advantages of collaboration tools? So anyone who wants to participate. So what are those advantages, especially in collaboration tools? Anyone from the class? Sige po, Miss Ria po.
Thank you po. So, I've mentioned a while ago that we are using Google Meet in our discussion, and I think that is also an advantages in using collaborative tools such as like this, because it improved and faster the communication of every person, and of course it exchanged informations and communications to everyone. So that's all po for me. Thank you po.
Thank, thank you for the wonderful answer po. So, anyone pa po who wants to participate? Even simple, explanation will do.
Anyone would like to thank you, Miss Sia, for your wonderful nice answer po. Anyone po? So, may I call for Ivy? Ivy po.
Next kay Ivy si Anton.
Okay, let's proceed po.
Si Antonio Nacionate. May idea siya about advantages.
Yes, sir.
Sige
So,
po.
next.
Thank you po, ma'am. So, what are the disadvantages of collaboration tool? So, for me, the disadvantage of collaboration tool is between teacher and student, that not all the student they have more good condition about their signal, and of course not at all access internet because of the other reasoning, or some of reason like no load, ano, heavy rain, and others factor that can be affect or as considered disadvantage of collaboration tools for education. And of course this disadvantage, one of the reason, that's why not all teacher and student, they will not continue for another discussion or lesson pag ganito po yung nagiging daily routine between teacher and student po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Okay po. So,
Excuse.
sino po? Okay, June date, next Nika.
Thank you po. I think one of the disadvantages of collaboration tools is lack of personal contact or lack of personal interaction. Thank you.
Wala pong sound, Sir Junday.
Full explain naman. Next is Nika.
Hello.
Nika, ikaw na po.
You can type it on the chat box po for the clarification po.
Hello. Sure talaga.
Mika po, go po. For me po, the disadvantages of collaborative tools is to cannot exactly maintain the real life event and activity. There's are limited personal contact and text and emails messaging may unlock and context, especially in a sensitive and confidential matters po. That's all. Thank you po.
Just
For the relevance and appropriateness in the use of technology in teaching and learning, may I call for Sir Henry Urbini. Apo.
thank you po. So,
The relevance and appropriateness in the use of technology in teaching and learning. Next po.
Ma'am Jas.
Yes po.
Let's end the Gmeet na. Since, minuto na.
Okay, so thank you for listening na lang po. Since it's overtime na po. So we will continue our discussion on our next meeting po, and thank you for listening po. So we call it for tonight. Good night po. Thank you.
Thank you po sa lahat na nag-participate. So, let's end the Gmeet na po. Thank you po. Boy, Henry.